Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter 10, add our points on page number 80. Two at a time. Now children, Chintu and Mintu went for shopping. They bought some things. To pay they used notes and coins, but only two at a time. Means out of these they can pay only two at a time. Now children, tell me, this is the note of how many rupees? Rupees 10. See children, here it is written 10. So this is 10 rupees note. This is the note of 50 rupees. This is the note of 20 rupees. The number is written over here on the note. This is 1 rupee coin. This is 5 rupees coin. And this is 2 rupees coin. Now children, out of these, which two can they use to buy the things below? They can use the same note or coin more than one time. Now see children, first one is done for you, that bat is for rupees 20. So 10 rupees 10 plus rupees 10 will make 20 rupees. Now see children, here there is rupees 10. Out of these, which rupees you will use children? Here we will use rupees 5 plus rupees 5. Now children, the next is football. Football is for rupees 40. Now children, out of these, what rupees you will be, which note you will use? Rupees 20 plus rupees 20. That will make 40. 20 plus 20 will make 40. Now children, this shirt is for rupees 60. Out of the above notes, which two notes you will use to make 60? Here, rupees 50 plus rupees 10. 10 plus 50, that will give us 60. Now children, this doll is for rupees 25. So out of these, which two things you will use to make rupees 25? Rupees 20 plus rupees 5. That will make us 25. See children, 10 plus 10, 20 rupees. 5 plus 5, 10 rupees. 20 plus 20 is 40 rupees. 50 plus 10, 60 rupees. And 20 plus 5, that is 25 rupees. Now children, how fast can you add? Velu, what are you doing? Akka, please help me add. Now see, this boy is not able to add these numbers. Now children, oh, you can add these without writing. We don't have to write. We don't have to write that lines, or we don't have to put the dots to count it. See children, here 7 plus 5. So what we have to do? 5 we have to take. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What we get? We get 12. Then add 3 in that. That will give you 12, 13, 14, 15. So in this way you can add it very fastly. Now children, you can also add these two first. Instead of these two, you can add these two first. 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. And plus 5, that will give you 15. So in this way also you can add. Order doesn't matter in addition children. Okay, now let's see how fast you can add these sums given below. 9 plus 4, 9 children. 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. Fast we have to do children here. See, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So here we will have 17. Now children, the next. 7 plus 3, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now children, here the next question. 6 plus 5, 6. Leave that 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 4, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer here is 15. Now children see, 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 2, 12, 13. Now children, our next topic is killer lizard. A lizard moves from one hole to another. As it moves, it eats insects hidden in the hole. The number of insects in each hole is shown. Now the lizard can move only along the lines. Now children, starting from the blue hole in the picture, the lizard goes to 3 holes to eat 18 insects. Now see children, how it goes 8 plus 1 plus 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Now children, they are asking you what path can the lizard take to eat 12 insects. How much you have to make children here? 12. And there are how many circles? 1, 2, 3. Or how many holes are there? 1, 2, 3. Means we have to pick such numbers that will make the sum of 12. Okay. And now see children here. Now see children here. 3 plus 8 or 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. Plus 1, 12. So here you can write 8 plus 3 plus 1. Now children, what path can the lizard take to eat 20 insects? Now 20 insects will be made out of what children? 9 plus 8. What it will give? Mentally you have to do. 9, 1 added 10 and then remaining 7 means 17. 18, 19, 20. So 9 plus 8 plus 3, that will give you 20. Now children, this time the lizard goes to 4 holes to eat insects. What path does the lizard take to eat 18 insects? Now see children, this time the lizard goes to 4 holes to eat insects. Now how many holes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And the insects she is eating is 18. So let's go to this holes again and let's see which number will make 18. Now children, here what part does the lizard take to eat 18 insects, and it is going to through 4 holes children. Now here we have to make 18. So 9 plus 6, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So 9, 6, 2, 1. 9 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1, that will give you 18. Now children, coming to the next, what path does the lizard take for 12 insects? Now how much insects lizard is taking children? 12 insects. And it is going to 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 6 plus 6, 12. Understood children? Now playtime. Samina and Sadiq are now playing another game on the board of head and tails. They threw 2 dice and add the numbers to get their points. You too can play this game. Throw your dice and write your points. See who is the first to reach home. Now children, Samina and Sadiq are playing on this board of head and tails. And what they are playing with children now this time? They are playing with dice. They are throwing the dice and writing their points by adding these 2 numbers. Now here what is the number children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So in this way they are playing the games and see who is the first to reach the game home. Now children, you can play this game with your friends and you can too prepare a chart like this and you can see who reach home first. So children, here we have ended this lesson and add our points. Hope this lesson is understood by you and you have learned how to add fastly by counting forward. Bye children. Have a nice time.